Today, we're diving into a topic that's cutting edge, futuristic, and full of opportunity: how to make money with an AI influencer. Yes, you heard that right. The AI influencer trend is booming. This isn't some far-off sci-fi fantasy. AI influencers are real, and they're making waves in the marketing world. And the best part? You can tap into this trend and start making money with AI influencers yourself, even if you're not a tech wizard. So watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you 5 different strategies how to do just that. Make money with an AI influencer. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how to make money with AI. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get straight into the video. So what is an AI influencer? Before we jump into the money-making side of things, let's quickly break down what an AI influencer actually is. In simple terms, AI influencers are virtual personas created using advanced artificial intelligence. They exist on social media, interact with followers, and even collaborate with brands, just like real human influencers. Take Lil Miquela, for example. She's an AI influencer with over 3 million Instagram followers. She posts lifestyle content, interacts with fans, and has partnered with major brands like Prada and Samsung. And guess what? She's not a real person, but the connections she creates with her audience are very real. And that's where the money-making potential comes in. AI influencers are a game changer for making money online. Now, you might be asking, why would brands use AI influencers when there are so many human influencers out there? Well, here's the thing. AI influencers have 3 key advantages that make them highly valuable in today's digital landscape. Advantage number 1, consistency. AI influencers don't get tired or take breaks. They're always available to create content, engage with audiences, and represent brands 24/7. Advantage number 2, control. Brands can craft their messaging perfectly with AI influencers. They don't have to worry about controversial opinions or off-brand behavior. Everything is precisely tailored. Advantage number 3, scalability. One AI influencer can be designed to appeal to different audiences across different platforms in multiple languages, all at once. This is something a human influencer just can't do. AI influencers are also data-driven. They can analyze audience engagement in real time, adjust strategies, and optimize content based on what works best. This makes them incredibly effective marketing tools. And when you combine these factors, you can see why brands are eager to work with AI influencers, which opens up incredible opportunities for you to make money. All right, now for the good stuff. Let's talk about how you can make money with an AI influencer. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just looking for a new side hustle, there are multiple ways to tap into this growing trend. Now let's dive into 5 different strategies on how you can make money with an AI influencer. Strategy number 1, create your own AI influencer. This is one of the most exciting ways to get in on the action. With the advancements in AI technology, creating your own virtual influencer is more accessible than ever. You can either partner with AI development platforms or hire freelance developers to build an AI influencer that matches your brand's personality and values. Once your AI influencer is up and running, you can grow their social media presence, interact with followers, and collaborate with brands, just like a human influencer. And here's where the money-making opportunities comes in. Sponsored posts, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and even virtual product placements can all generate income from your AI influencer. Strategy number 2, marketing your business. Maybe you don't want to create an AI influencer from scratch, but you can still profit by partnering with existing AI influencers to promote your products or services. This works just like traditional influencer marketing, where you pay influencers to showcase your brand to their audience. AI influencers have large, highly engaged audiences, and partnerships can often be more cost-effective than working with human influencers. Plus, AI influencers' content is always on brand, and you can scale your campaigns easily. The more creative and targeted your campaign, the more money you can generate through increased sales and brand exposure. Strategy number 3, AI-driven marketing services. If you've got a knack for marketing and technology, this is a major opportunity. You can sell AI-driven marketing services to businesses, offering to help them integrate AI influencers into their campaigns. Many brands are intrigued by the concept of AI influencers, but don't know where to start. That's where you come in. You can charge a premium to help brands navigate this new terrain, offering services like AI influencer creation, campaign strategy, content creation, and performance analysis. The demand for AI-powered marketing is only going to grow, so getting in early can be extremely lucrative. Strategy number 4. Affiliate marketing through AI influencers. If you're already into affiliate marketing, AI influencers can take your game to the next level. Here's how it works. You create an AI influencer that promotes products or services from affiliate programs. The AI influencer can engage with audiences, generate content around the affiliate products, and share personalized recommendations. Every time someone clicks through or buys via your AI influencer's affiliate links, you earn a commission. And since AI influencers can work 24/7 and target specific demographics, this can become a highly profitable passive income stream. Strategy number 5. Sell softwares or templates. If you're tech-savvy, why not sell AI influencer softwares, templates, or design packages to people who want to create their own virtual influencer but don't have the skills? You can package tools, guides, or AI personas and sell them to entrepreneurs, marketers, and even other influencers looking to enter the space. There's a growing demand for easy-to-use AI-driven tools in the influencer marketing world. By creating and selling these resources, you can generate a substantial income by catering to a niche market of forward-thinking marketers and creators. Before we get into how you can capitalize on this trend by using AI influencers, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with AI. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get back to the video. The future of AI influencers is massive. And it's not just limited to Instagram or YouTube. We're already seeing virtual personalities popping up in gaming, virtual worlds, and even the metaverse. As the technology behind AI influencers becomes more sophisticated, the opportunities to make money will continue to grow. Imagine AI influencers giving personalized fashion advice in virtual stores, acting as tour guides in the metaverse, or even hosting live virtual events. The possibilities are endless, and the earlier you get involved, the more you can capitalize on these trends. If you're serious about making money with AI influencers, remember these 3 key tips. Tip number 1. Stay ahead of the curve. This technology is evolving fast, so keep learning and adapting to new trends. Tip number 2. Build relationships. Whether you're creating your own AI influencer or partnering with existing ones, relationships with audiences and brands are key to success. Tip number 3. Be creative. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Think outside the box, experiment with different platforms, and find innovative ways to monetize. So are you fired up? Are you ready to dive into the world of AI influencers and start making money today? Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more make money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video, and I'll see you there.